Listen, all of you listen. This is what exactly I received from my Guru Parampara. There are other many rituals done. I'll give you the essence of enlightenment. They actually put both the thumb on both my eyes and then one thumb on the third eye. Means both my eyes they pressed and then they pressed the third eye. That is the 3 dot. Symbolically putting this 3 dot into my system. The Brahma Aksharam. Putting that into my system. And then there were other rituals. All those were done. I'll give you now the essence. Listen carefully. Number 1. Brahma Dhyanam means being in that ultimate Parabrahma, Paramashiva, Parandama, which is the ultimate. Paramam, Paramatma, Paramashakti. All these words you can use. That Paramam, ultimate. Being in that Paramam, that is called Brahma Dhyanam. Brahma Aksharam, the syllable which puts you in that space. Mahaksharam, Brahma Aksharam. That Brahma Aksharam is this 3 dot. You can see in my own Guru's handwriting, Brahma Dhyanam, that word in Tamil it is written, and 3 dot. That 3 dot is the Brahma Akshara, ultimate mantra, which puts you in Samadhi immediately. And now I will give you precise cognition. This 3 dot means, understand, there is something in you which you don't need to remember. It is there 24 hours. When you are waking state, when you are in dream state, when you are in deep sleep state, it is there. Even during deep sleep, it is there. That is why after sleep, when you come out, you say, I slept so well. So it is there. You don't need to remember it. And you can't forget it. It is there. Which you don't need to remember, which you can't forget, and that only remembers everything. These 3 qualities put together, there is something in you. That is Arunachala. That is Paramatma. That is Paramashiva. That is Parabrahma. That is Parandama. That is Paramashakti. That is Paramaguru. And that is Paramatma. Listen. Listen to these 3 statements. These 3 only you need to remember. Which is there in me, which I don't need to remember. First. Which I cannot forget, even if I want. Third. That only remembers everything. Which is there in all of us always. How many of you are able to understand? With how many of you it clicks? Yes? Yes? Raise your hand. If it clicks with you, raise your hand. This is exactly Arunachala. Remember that which cannot be remembered, cannot be forgotten, that only remembers everything. That is what is cognition. That is what is cognition. It is not faith. It is not belief. It is not idea. It just clicks. Sit and try to understand this. Yes, there is something in me. I don't need to remember. And I can't forget. And that only remembers me. Remembers everything. That is what is Arunachala. That is what is Paramatman. That is what is Parabrahman. That is what is Paramashiva. That is what is Parampurul. That is what is Paramashakti. That is what is Parabrahma, Parandama, Paramashiva, Paramashakti, Paramatma, Paramaguru. Sitting in that is Nirvikalpa Samadhi, Brahma Dhyanam. Cognizing that is Brahma Dhyanam. This 3 point, the Brahma Akshara, close up the Brahma Akshara. All of you listen carefully. Project பண்ணுங்கப்பா. All yes, now you can see. I'm projecting it. It's exactly in the handwriting of my own Guru, Isaki Swamigal. Brahma Dhyanam, that is the word. And the 3 dot you see is the Brahma Akshara. Please understand. Whatever I received from my gurus, I am sharing it with all of you. Fortunately, we have the original handwriting of my gurus still now with us. It is there with us. It's a 30-page document. I am uploading that whole 30-page document in the Facebook. You can all enjoy it. I want all of you to read. Please read. If you can understand Tamil, please read. If you don't know Tamil, get the translation and read. Actually, this is like a certificate for me. See, when you go to a doctor, you need to know that person is a doctor. He is authorized to attend to you. He is authorized to treat you. The doctor medical certificate is the authority. That is a medical certificate. That certificate that he completed medicine gives the authority for him to treat you. Same way, this Yoga Pattabhisheka Patram, this Diksha Patram, gives authority for me to teach all of you. The Guru Parampara's authority. So I am uploading this. All of you, please watch. Now I will repeat. Remember, there is something in you which does not need to be remembered. which cannot be remembered, which does not need to be remembered, which cannot be forgotten, that only remembers you. So sit with that, be with that. That 3 point is that which need not be remembered, which cannot be forgotten, which remembers me. That is the 3 dot. This 3 understanding, realization, only the 3 dot. So just put your throat on the upper palate with that. That's all. And sit, which is in me, which does not need to be remembered, cannot be remembered, which cannot be forgotten. That only remembers me. Let me be in that. That's all. This is the Brahma Dhyanam. If you sit, now you can manifest it. You can experience it. This is what I call cognizing. It is not faith. It is not belief. I'm not teaching you some theology. I'm not teaching you some principle. I'm not teaching you some philosophy. I'm teaching you the reality. Truth. This is Brahma Dhyanam. This is Brahma Aksharam. With my Guru's grace and the Guru Parampara's blessings, I am giving this Brahma Dhyanam and Brahma Aksharam formally to all of you, initiating all of you into this Brahma Dhyanam, Brahma Aksharam, Brahma Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Giving you all my blessings. As I said, this is cognition, not an idea or a thought. It is just, yes, clicking with it. Yes, what Swamiji is saying is true. There is something in me which does not need to be remembered. You can't go back to the same old. You can't go back to the same old mental setup. Something happens in you. That is what is the power of this initiation. As I said, this is cognition. I was giving you an example. What is meant by the word cognition about Ramesh Ramani? A few days before, Ramesh Ramani asked Devi for his healing, some physical healing. It seems Devi blessed, immediately it will be healed. And after that, maybe one day or after that, one of my sannyasi called him and conveyed the message from Devi and then asked him, How are you feeling now? Your health is okay. He said, Devi told, I am healed. Means I am healed, that's all. I am not going to go to doctor to get his opinion or cross-check what Devi said. If Devi said I am healed, over. That is what I call it as cognition. When she came and reported to me, I said, he's healed. The absolute cognition. You can call it as absolute surrender, oneness, anything you want. That is what is cognition. Swamiji said, Devi said, I am healed, over, that's all. Now Devi said, I am healed. Now the body I am having is the healed body. So there is no doctor can set a standard of sickness and declare whether I am healed or sick, anything. The scale cannot be set by the doctor. The Devi said, I am healed, that is the scale. I am healed, over. That is what is cognition. That is what is cognition. You can call it a surrender or oneness, whatever. When she came and told this, I told, wow, God. You all tell me, you all tell many times, oh, Swamiji made my day. When she came and reported to me, I said, Ramesh Ramani made my day. That is what is cognition. Listen now. Now, whatever I am saying, just click with it. That's it. Which is there in you, which need not be remembered, which cannot be forgotten. That only remembers you. That is Arunachalam. That is Parabrahmam. That is Parandama. That is Paramashiva. That is Paramashakti. That is Paramatman. Somebody is asking to tell me in Tamil. But if I tell in Tamil, you won't understand. நினைப்பொடு மறப்பும் சிந்தையொடு நிந்தையும் கழியவும் அழியவும் ஒண்ணாத நிலை. நினைப்பு இல்லாததும் நினைக்க இயலாததும் மறக்க இயலாததும் மறக்க ஒண்ணாததும் எதன் இருப்பினால் நீ உனை நினைக்கிறாயோ அது. எது தன்னுடைய இருப்பினால் உன்னையே நினைக்கச் செய்கிறதோ அது. அதுவே அருணாச்சலம், பரபிரம்மம், பரந்தாமம், பரமபதம், பரமசிவம், பரமசக்தி, பரமாத்மன், பரம்பொருள். Just cognize that. That's all. With the grace of Guru Parampara, I am giving this Brahma Dhyana initiation, Brahma Mantra initiation, Brahma Nirvikalpa Samadhi to all of you as Shaktipada, Shaktinipada, Anubudhi. Now sit. Put your throat on the upper palate and remember this Brahma Mantra. This three cognition, which does not need to be remembered, cannot be remembered also, does not need to be forgotten, cannot be forgotten, through because of which I remember me. Let me be in that. Om, Om, Om. Blessings to all of you. Maranat Arunachalam, Maranat Arunachalam, Maranat Arunachalam, Smaranat Mukti Arunachalam, Smaranat Mukti Arunachalam, Smaranat Mukti Arunachalam. Just by remembering liberation. This is what Arunachalam. Remembering this liberates you once for all. Cognize this. I give you all as initiation. Now try to sit and cognize this. Watch this initiation and satsang few times, so it will click exactly in you. Watch this satsang again and again. Then it will click and sit in that space. My blessings to all of you. You will all be able to cognize this and achieve that state of Smaranat Arunachalam, Parabrahmam, Parandama, Paramapadam, Paramashivam, Paramashakti, Paramatman, Paramaguru, Paramborul. Ramesh, you don't need to feel you missed something. Now I am going to repeat the whole thing. You can listen.